So this is the Mr. Coffee 12 cup automatic coffee maker. This coffee maker is very simple but effective. And as you can see, you lift this up, you have your little coffee basket here, you place in your filter, you place your coffee in, and then you have your drip right here. There's the water tank, so you can fill that up with up to 12 cups. There is a brew button that you can see the light is on when it's working. And also you can set this so that it will make your pot of coffee before you even wake up in the morning if you set it the night before. And I do like that aspect about it. I'm a big fan of this and I would highly recommend it.